we collect like terms. We collect like terms. Collect like terms. In collecting like terms, -3 here will meet his brother over there, which we have what? 2x plus 6x equal to 5 plus what? 5 plus 3. 5. Okay, guys. Today we want to look at what? Linear equation. Linear equation. Before you can start to solve quadratic equations, simultaneous equations, and other type of equations, what you need is what? Is linear equation, because this is just like the foundation to what? To all these other elimination, quadratic method, quadratic equations, and the rest of them. So today I want to teach you guys on linear equation. Please, as I keep on mentioning in other of my videos, that in mathematics you need to keep on practicing. Without you practicing, there is no way you can do what? You can be good in maths. You need to do what? Keep on practicing. So let's go as we have our first question. Now what we do here is that the left hand side, which is what? 2x plus 3, and then the right hand side, which is what? 11. We transfer this plus 3 to this side. So what we have here is this. We have what? 2x equals to what? 11 minus what? 11 minus 3. So here we have what? 2x equals to what? 11 minus 3 will give us what? 8. 8. Divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by 2. So we have divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. We have x equals to 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So x equal to what? Equal to that question here, who says this is number 2, we have number 1 here. Who says what? 5x minus 7 equal to 2x plus 8. Now, look at this. We have x on this side and then we have x on this side. So what we do here, the first thing is that we collect like terms. We collect like terms. So in collection of like terms, this 2x will come over to this side. So then we have 5x. When this one is crossing over, it will change to what? Minus 2x equal to what? 8. Then this one here will come over to this side. We have what? Minus will change to what? To plus 7. Now don't forget, whenever a sign is crossing over equality sign, it will change to the opposite sign. That is, if minus is crossing equality sign, it will change to what? It will change to plus. Then if plus is also crossing equality sign, it will change to what? To minus. So that's how it works. So in this place, we have what? 5x minus 2x will give us what? Will give us 3x. 3x equals to what? 8 minus 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 will give us what? Will give us 15. Give us 15. So we divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. 3 here 1. 3 here 1. We have x equals to 3 here 1. 3 here 5. X equals to 5. Our final answer. Now we have this. We have 7x. 7 into bracket x minus 2 close bracket equals to 3 into bracket x plus what? 4. X plus 4. So the first thing you do here is that you expand this bracket. We open the bracket by using what? By using 7 and 3 to multiply each of the brackets first. So here we have what? 7x, which is what? 7 times x. We bring down our minus sign here. 7 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 14. Then equal to 3 times x will give us what? 3x. Then 3 times 4 will give us what? Will give us 12. Will give us 12. Right? So in this place here, we move further. We say what? We collect like terms. We collect like terms. We bring this, what's it called? 3x to this side. So we have what? We have 7x minus 3x. When it is crossing equality sign, it will change to what? Minus. So we have what? Equal to what? 12. This minus 14 crossing over will change to what? Plus 14. Plus 14. So 7x minus 3x will give us what? Will give us 4x. Will give us 4x. 4x equals to what? 12 plus 14. 12 plus 14 will give us what? Will give us 26. 26. Divide both sides by what? By 4. We have 4. We have 4. 4 cancel 4. X equals to what? Here we have what? 6.5. 6.5. Here we have what? 2x plus 3 into bracket 2x minus what? 1 equals to what? Equals to 5. So in this place here, we expand this bracket first. That's the first thing we need to do. We expand the bracket first. By doing what? By multiplying this bracket by what? By 3. So here we have what? We have 2x plus 3 times 2 equals to 6x. Then plus times minus equals to minus 3 times 1 equals 3 equal to what? Equal to 5. We have been able to expand this bracket. 3 times 2x will give us what? Will give us 6x. 3 times 1 will give us what? Will give us 3. So plus times minus will give us minus. So definitely we do what? We collect like terms. We collect like terms. Collect like terms. In collecting like terms, minus 3 here will meet his brother over there, which we have what? 2x plus 6x equal to 5 plus what? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 minus is crossing over becomes plus. So definitely here will give us what? Here will give us 8x. That 2x plus 6x will give us 8x equals to 5 plus 3 will give us what? Will give us 8. Now, what we are looking for is what? Is x. So we divide both sides by what? By 8. Divided by 8. Divided by 8. 8 here, 1. 8 here, 1. We have our x equal to what? 8 here, 1. 8 here, 1. So our x is equal to what? Equal to 1. Now, you have another question here, which is the number 5 question. But we have 2x plus 1 divided by 3. 2x plus 1 divided by 3 equal to what? Equal to 5. Now, don't panic. What you do here is this. You do what? You cross multiply. You cross multiply. 5 here is the same thing as what? Over 1. Over 1. Right? So, in this place here, you say what? You cross multiply. Cross multiply. You cross multiply. In cross multiplying, we have what? We have 2x plus 1 divided by 3 equal to 5 over 1. So we do what? We cross multiply. In cross multiplication, we have what? This 2x plus 1 will multiply 1, and then 3 will multiply 5. So we have what? 2x plus 1 times 1 is still the same thing. Then equals to what? 5 times 3. 5 times 3. So here will give us what? 2x plus 1 equals to 5 times 3 will give us 15. 5 times 3 will give us what? 15. We collect like 10 by transferring plus 1 to this side. So definitely we have what? 2x equals to 15 minus what? Minus 1. When this one is crossing over, it becomes what? Minus. So definitely here we have what? 2x equal to 14. 14. Divide both sides by what? By 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1. 2 here 1. We have our x equal to 2 here 1. 2 here 7. We have 7.